Hey friends, welcome to math. Today you're going to need a few things. Okay, you're going to need this page. It says Domino Addition Table Chart Labels. And you're going to need Sort the Sum Record Sheet. And you're going to need your double six dominoes. So pause the video if you need to go get those things. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we are going to cut these apart. Okay, and it's going to make one big long paper that we're going to need to play a game. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and I want you to cut these labels out by following the dotted lines. Okay, and I make sure that you leave a little on the end so that you can easily glue these papers together. Okay? All right. Pause the video, do it now. Okay, so you should have papers that look like this. This was by itself and I just cut the end off because we didn't need a long piece of paper there. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We are going to start with the 0 dots and we're just going to put a little glue on the end like that. And I want you to think about what comes after 3. Yep, you got it. 4 dots it says. Look how long this is already. Okay, so now at the end of this it says 7 dots. What would come next? Yep, you got it. I'm going to glue where it says 8 dots right here. And my last one, what's after 11? You got it. It is 12. So I want you to make yours look just like this. Again, pause the video if you need to. All right, friends, now that you've got it all put together, what I want you to do, in order to play this game, Sort the Sum, you're going to draw a line here before the 6 dots and here after the 10 dots, okay? Because this is what we're going to need to keep track of and to play the game. We're only going to think about the 6 through 10 dots, okay? So pause the video if you need to. You are also going to need your cubes. You should have 2 different color cubes or dots. You could use the dots. And they're going to help us keep track of who wins a point and who doesn't. Okay, so I have these blue dots, or I mean, sorry, these green dots, or not dots, cubes, these green cubes, and I need to get another color of cubes. So when I play, somebody else will score their points with a different color cube. So if you need to go get those different colors, get them now. Okay, so I have my 2 different colors. Okay, let me see if I can zoom out. I have my score sheet and I have my double 6 dominoes. What we need to do is remember, since we are using cards, maybe you have actual dominoes, but we're using cards. So we're going to make them face down so that we can't tell the dots, and we're going to put them in a pile. So if you have real dominoes, fabulous. You're just going to make sure that all the dots are facing down, okay? You need to write my name and your partner's name. So my name is Mrs. Rank. And my partner's name is JJ. Okay. This is how it goes. So I'm going to be the green cubes for points, and he is going to be the yellow cubes for points. We won't need this right now. We'll need it at the end. So we're going to put this aside. How this is played is that we take a domino and we add up the sum. That means we remember the sum is the answer to an adding problem. So we find the sum or the total of all the dots. And if you can put it, if your total is 6 dots or 7 dots or 8 dots or 9 dots or 10 dots, then you put them over the label, okay? And if you can play your domino, meaning in between this line and this line, then you get a point. And you're going to keep track of your point by getting a cube, okay? That's how you're going to keep track. These cubes are just for keeping track of who has how many points. All right, so the first one, remember you take a domino and your partner takes a domino to see who goes first. So I had 4 and 1, that's 5. Oh my goodness, I can tell that 6 and 4, that's 10. So my partner is going to go first. I'm going to take these dominoes and I'm going to put them back in my pile for use later. Okay, so my partner's going. Oh, what's his domino total? Yep, he has 0. So does he get a point? Nope, he does not get a point. And what he could do is put it over where it says 0 dots. Okay, I don't have space in my table, right? No, I guess we could do that. You just won't be able to see it. So we're going to put it, but our points are only gained where it says 6 and 10, right? In between 6 and 10. Okay, so now it's my turn. Oh, 3 dots. Do I get a point? Nope. My sum, 3 plus 0. My sum is only 3. It is not 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. So I don't get a point either. Partner goes. What does he get? 4 and 4. That sure enough, it equals 8 dots. So he's going to line it up over the 8 dots. And guess what? My partner gets a point. Now it's my turn. Uh-oh. I got 4 and 0. My sum is only 4. So I do not get a point. My partner goes 2 and 2. Is that a sum of more of 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 dots? Nope. Okay. My turn. Oh, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, finally. Let's see, 7 dots. So I get a point also. I'm going to keep her points down here. Okay, now my partner goes. How much is that? 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. He gets another point. Okay, my turn. Oh man, I do not get a point because my sum is only 1. Partner goes. Oh, 5 and 1 more. Yep, it's 6. My partner gets another point. My goodness. My turn. Let's see. 4 and 2. Oh, that's 6. Yay! I get a point. Okay, so you're going to go until you've gone through your whole deck of all of your dominoes. Okay. Okay, friends, so my partner and I finished playing. We went through our whole deck, and I have 5, 6, 7, 8, and my partner has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6. Okay, so I need to now fill out my sort the sum sheet. Okay, and you guys got 2. You got 2 that you can use. So I got 8 points. My partner got, is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so now I'm going to write a sentence using less than, equal to, or greater than to show who got more points and who got fewer points. So my score was 8. My partner was 7. I got more, right? 8 is greater than 7. So now I get to choose some dominoes. Okay, and I'm going to write a 3 addition. I need to choose a 6 or 7 or an 8. And I need to write 3 addition equations to match that number. Let's see. So let's look. Good thing I sorted it out. And I am going to choose 7. I'm going to choose 7 dots. So my first one is going to be 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then I'm going to choose another one. I'm going to have 1 and 6 equals 7. And then I have this one. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay? So now over here, I'm going to write a picture of my favorite domino. And you know what? I love this one. I know it's hard to see, but I love it. So I'm going to draw a picture of it. I love 5 because it looks like somebody's smiling. So 5 plus 5 is the same as 10, right? So there I go. I played it. Now, if you are done playing and still want to keep going with your dominoes, remember you could sort them all along your sort the sum game board, okay? When you are done, I highly recommend that you fold it so that you can keep it for use for another game. So there I have it. And then don't forget to put your dominoes back in your bag and keep track of them so that we can continue using them. Okay, I'm going to show you next how to access the digital sort the sum game from our slides. Have a good one.